Last present. Tear it open, Eliza. There you go. Don't be shy. This one is from Yaya and Papu.
Oh, wow. Nice.
What is it? Is it luggage? Is it luggage? It is luggage.
Luggage. Nice.
That's a crazy lucky guess on Dad's part.
Thank you. It's to look inside. Oh.
Is it luggage full of money?
Wow, this is nice. Nice and bright too. You're gonna find it. No problem.
Eliza, we could fit you in there. Eliza, is your mouth full of Daddy's Christmas presents?
Pull it down.
She's not amused.
Gee. Okay, Eliza, here's your gift. Let me take the wrapping off for you. It's from Yaya and Papu. Yeah.
Papu. Here we go.
Here you go.
Okay.
Open this present up.
Go for it. Tear it open. Don't step on it. Open
No.
it.
Let's open it. Here, sit down. Sit down. Look. You want to open your present?
I think she just wants more food.
Here, open your present. Oh, it's from Yaya and Papu.
There we go.
Oh my.
What'd you? Oh no.
Oh, this looks like fun.
Little babies make a mess
What
kit.
are those? What are those?
Did you say thank you, Yaya?